Amendment 12. The electors meet in their states and vote by ballot for both president and vice president, naming which candidate is the presidential candidate and which is the vice presidential candidate. A separate list is made naming each candidate for each office and giving the number of votes received by each. These lists are signed by the electors, sealed, certified, and sent to Washington, D.C., addressed to the President of the Senate. If no presidential candidate gets a majority of the electoral vote, the House of Representatives elects a president by ballot from the three candidates with the most electoral votes. A quorum in the House for this purpose is one or more representatives from 2/3 of the states. The vote is taken by state, and each state has one vote. A majority vote is necessary to elect a president. If the House does not elect a president before the next January 20th, the person elected vice president acts as president, just as he would in case of the death or other constitutional disabilities of the president. If no vice presidential candidate gets a majority of the electoral votes, the Senate elects a vice president from the two candidates with the most electoral votes. A quorum in the Senate for this purpose is 2/3 of the senators, and a majority vote is necessary to elect a vice president. No person ineligible for president may be elected vice president. This changes Article 2, Section 1 in part.